you guys? Welcome back to my channel, Couture, and this is part 2 of the eullair. This is a 24-inch body wave 13x4 lace frontal wig unit. Okay, so first video I showed you guys all about how I prepare for my install, preparing the wig for the install. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do the actual install and also styling the hair. So first things first, I took my Got2b gel and I'm just using that and I'm brushing my edges back. Okay, so now I'm just applying my stocking cap. I'm going to go ahead and cut those ears out, and then we're going to start this ball cap method. So with the ball cap method, all I do is do the Got2b spray once, let it dry, do the Got2b spray again, let it dry, and then that's it for the Got2b spray. Okay, so I'm going to let that just play out so you guys can see how that's going. So now that first layer is dry, now I'm going to go ahead and do my second layer of Got2b, literally same exact process. Alright, so now I'm just cutting my cap and getting that as close to my hairline as possible. So I always use a razor comb. You don't have to use a razor comb, you can use scissors. You don't have to get it really close to your hairline either. That's just my personal preference. So now I'm taking my makeup brush and I'm just putting that all around the perimeter of my cap so that it gives that bold, you know, that bold look. I didn't add any extra product to my brush. I just used whatever was left over from like doing my makeup. Okay, so camera died, but we're using the bold hold. Basically, I just put one layer on so far, and now I'm waiting for that to dry, and then I'm going to do my second layer, and then I'm going to start applying my wig. So this is the second layer right here. So once this layer is completely dry, then we're going to go ahead and put the wig on. Alright, so now the fun part begins. We are installing this wig. So you're just going to bring that up as far as you can and try to set it as close as you can to being right in the glue. If anything, if you're not sure where to place it in front of the glue, never behind the glue. Because once it's behind the glue, it's just a mess. So make sure that you are putting it in front of the glue or right exactly. It'll come with practice, you guys. You'll be able to lay it exactly right in the glue. So right now I'm just using my little rat tail comb and I'm just massaging that glue and the lace together, just pushing it together basically. And then I'm going to take my elastic, I'm going to put the hair in a ponytail, get my elastic band and just put my elastic band over top of that just to really set that glue. After the elastic band, usually I use the blow dryer, but I didn't do that this time. I let it sit for about 20 minutes and then I come back. Okay, now that 20 minutes has passed, I am back and I'm just fixing any little flyaways. Guys, that hairline looks so good to me. So yeah, I'm just using that same razor comb, and I like to use a razor comb other than scissors because a razor comb is going to give that jagged edge versus the scissors that's going to give that straight across. You don't want the straight across. You don't. So yeah, I'm just using my razor comb and doing that on both sides. So now I'm taking that same makeup brush. This is the good part about transparent lace. You can really like make it with whatever you want to make it with makeup. So I'm just taking that same makeup brush, still haven't applied any product to it. I'm taking that makeup brush and I am just putting that all over my hairline just to let it match my face a little bit more. Transparent lace is like typically light. So for anybody that's brown or like caramel skin like me, you're gonna have to use some makeup. Okay, so this hair was still a little wet from me washing it. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry that out. And then I'm going to get started with, you know, the parting, all the rest of the stuff. But right now I'm just blow drying my hair out. Okay. So now I'm just pretty much playing with my hair, trying to decide what kind of style I'm going to do. I wasn't really sure what style I was going to do, but I ended up doing a middle part. So I'm just, further blow drying and just making sure everything is nice and dry before I start, because we are going to be curling this hair today, so it does need to be nice and dry. So if you guys aren't new here, I do the same process every time. I use my hot comb and my Erica J wax stick, and that is how I get my parts to lay, my edges to lay, all that stuff. That's basically what this process is right now. I'm just using my hot comb, and then I'm going to use some people call it a slick stick, wax stick, whatever. That's what I'm going to use to just lay that part down. Okay, so now we're getting into the curling process. I'm just using a 1.5 inch curling iron. I actually took like the clamp part off, and I just use it as a wand because it's easier. So that's what I'm doing. Depending whichever side I'm on, I curl away from my face. That's how I do these curls. The curls are pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let you guys watch. Alright guys, so this is the final look. This is how it's looking at the end. I absolutely love it. It's so subtle, so just like classy. This is just such like a classic hairstyle. Alright guys, so I hope this video was helpful. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Check out eullair. I will leave the information for this wig in the description box per usual. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Check them out. Like the video. I think I already said all that stuff. That's about it, you guys. Until next time, stay positive and be blessed.